Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete link history on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram lets you view all the sites you recently visit in the app, which can be handy when you want to retrieve a product link you tap while scrolling through the platform. On my previous video, I've shown you how to see your link history on Instagram. But what if you want to delete the link history? Maybe for some reason you want to remove all the history link on your Instagram. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to your activity, tap on your activity option on here. Now you can scroll down. There is an option, link history. You can just tap on that. So here's all your link history that you recently visit on your Instagram. If you want to delete it, if you want to delete just one of these, you can just tap on the X icon on the here. Clear link from your link history. This link to a recent site you visit on Instagram's in-app browser will be cleared from this page and you won't be able to revisit it. You can tap on clear, so it will be removed from your link history. But if you want to delete all the link history, you can just tap on clear all. Tap on clear. So now the link history has been cleared from your link history. Maybe there is a problem with it. You can reopen the Instagram again. And let's try to delete it again. I think my internet is not in a good condition, and now you can see there's no more recent link history on my Instagram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to delete link history on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!